Oh, I'm so bored.
Cheer up, guys. It's not that bad.
Being bored is pretty bad. Oh, yeah, I'm leaving. Yo, guys, thank you for taking me to my boat. I really appreciate it.
No problem, Oreo.
Aw, I'm gonna miss the little dude.
Who cares? Wanna go and get some food?
Yes. I can't believe that I was the first person to make it off Food Island.
Oh, I'm not that bothered.
Oh, hey there, bacon and cookie. What would you like to order?
So, what would you like to order, hot dog? It's taking you 1 hour to make up your mind. I just don't know. There's so many options.
Boy.
Hi, burger.
Hot dog can't make up his mind.
Oh, thanks, stupid. I thought I would never get out of that tree.
No problem, fish.
Woohoo, an egg! Hey, you okay? The chicken's laying the eggs earlier this year. You want one?
Oh no, I'm good, like.
How about your pet?
Oh, she's not my pet. What's that sound?
What's that?
Hello, contestants. I am your host, Food Bag.
What does this mean?
It means y'all competing in my competition called Battle of the Foods. There are 12 of you, which means your challenge is to make 2 teams of 6. Now, go!
Hey, Strawberry, can I join your team? Oh, sure, Fish. It's good I've already made a friend. Can I join your team?
Of course! Hey, Bacon, we gotta be on the same team!
Yeah, sure. I kinda want egg on my team.
Why?
Well, we're both breakfast.
Oh, yeah, I forgot.
Hey, egg. I think you should be on our team.
Sure, but you didn't have to scare me. Let's all be on this team. Hey, can we be on your team? Of course, the more the merrier. Bacon's got 3 members on his team.
Hey guys, can we join your team? Sure.
I wonder who our last teammate will be.
Can you put me down now?
Hey, Rito, there's only one person left. Well, I'm sure that one person will be just fine.
I guess this is my team. Now you've made your new teams for this season. The second part of the challenge is to pick a team name.
Since we're all breakfast, let's be called Team Breakfast.
Yeah, well, hold up. We're not all breakfast.
Okay, and?
Well, if we take fast out of breakfast, you get break.
So you guys are Team Break. What? That doesn't change anything. Fast. Light bulb moment.
Hey guys, let's be called Team Fast Food. Oh, I actually like that.
So you guys are Team Fast Food. So the teams are Team Break and Team Fast Food. Team Break is up for elimination. Oh, I wonder why. So viewers, wrote in the comments using the letters in the square brackets under who deserves to be eliminated. The one with the most votes will leave the show.